Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video in which I would like to share with you a number of features that have been added to BSS implementation of Forge. The first one is when you press on the Alt key and left mouse click, you will get the coordinates of that point, and they are definitely copied to your clipboard if you would like to paste them anywhere for further use. The second feature I would like to discuss is actually related to the property. So if I press, for example, on this piece of pipe, and for some reason somebody asked me how many item you have in your model that have exactly the same size. So this size here is 125 millimeter. So if I double click on this one, it will automatically select them all, and it will tell me I have 24 pieces of that specific pipe. Now, if somebody go and ask you, look, we are not interested in this specific pipe. Do you have any pipe which have a different size, let's say 40 mm? So I can just press on the control key and double click here. And then if I put 40 here and say OK, you can see I have 74 pieces who have the size as 40 mm. Of course, if you want to view them, you can either go further, you can isolate your model. These are already existing feature, and you can see them all where they are. This is basically the whole idea behind those two new features. Now we have also one more feature that I would like to share with you, which is mainly if you would like to divide the model based on the, let's say, the names. So what sort of types I have. So if I press on the Alt key instead of the Control key and double click here, and the system, depending on the size of the model, will do what we call the clustering of the item. Okay, as you can see, it is a quite big model. That's why it took me some few seconds, but you can see it did the clustering based on this specific property. Let's say I want to cluster it on a different property, maybe on the name. All I need to do is press Alt and then double click on the name. And of course, it's a big model. It will take few seconds, but eventually I will get the clustering based on any property I select from the following system. This is basically the idea. So you can see this is a new clustering based on the property which is called the name. So this is, for example, 6 by 12 and so on. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I recommend that you try this sort of feature using the BSS platform. It will help you a lot in your daily activity when it comes to construction.